B Drizzy. Loud remix. B Drizzy. Don't want it, bitch. Nah. Let go. Let go. B Drizzy. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Lil Mac Miller on the track. Still that. Fuck it. Yeah, nigga, I'ma go in, gonna keep on doing the shit, killing you and your friends, chilling with the crew in the booth. I'm so ruthless, boy, I'm so ruthless. Check it, yeah, you're toothless. Let me go up in it, let me kill it, give me a minute, let me go up, keep on in it, make your heads, I'm gonna spin it, like I spin the record, nigga, check it for the record, wanna play with this fucking shit, cause you know I'm gonna wreck it, boy, I'm running away, like I ain't got no insurance, keep on doing this shit, because you know this fucking shit hurts, spit it from the brain, I'm just saying, I'm insane, like Batman, nigga, ain't being like Bruce Wayne, nigga, wanna play with a nigga like me, wanna play with a nigga like me, yep, B, wanna play with a little nigga like me, call me B Drizzy on the motherfucking beat, wanna play with a nigga like me, little B, wanna play with a nigga, little B Drizzy on the beat, I'm a nigga, let me go up in it, give me a fucking minute, make your head, I'm gonna fucking spin it, let me kill it, gonna go back up in it, let me play this shit really loud, yeah, you know I'm on the cloud, chillin' in this shit, because you know I got your hoe now, back to the penthouse, and she my hoe now, don't wanna do it, cause I make your stupid ass frown, cause you try to be somebody else, you ain't now, clown, boy, don't wanna do it, I don't even wanna hear a sound, out your fucking mouth, because you know you nothing but a clown. Yeah, boy, you better frown, never frown, happy meal, so I gotta keep it real, that's just real, let me play it like a little Meek Mills, boy, come on, do it, cause I don't know how fake feels, yeah, you wanna play with a nigga like me, little B, yeah, you like me, my wrist so icy, boy, you don't wanna get on the beat with me, cause I'ma kill this fucking shit, anywhere, on any beat, on the streets, I'm a freak, I'ma do it, I just speak what I practice, what I preach, no I don't, and it's me, cause I'm spitting from my damn brain, it's a shame how you know the other niggas don't know my damn name,